Do you also experience forgetfulness if you are living with paralysis? Does this mobility loss affect your memory too? Do you have difficulty remembering things around you, or do you sometimes find it difficult to recall previous events? Well, I can understand how you are dealing with this condition. Paralysis is not only about movement trouble, but memory loss is also a generalized symptom of paralysis that may worsen if nerve damage continues to happen. In my today's video, you will learn how paralysis affect your memory and what steps you can take to improve cognitive functions and prevent it from developing into another neurological and physiological disorders. So stay tuned and watch my complete video without skipping for a single second. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Amisha. You are most welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can explore so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Now, let's first understand what paralysis is. It is a loss of ability to move or control muscles. This happens due to damage to the central nervous system, meaning your brain and spinal cord. Okay, let me make it more clear to you. When your brain or spinal cord gets damaged due to an injury, trauma, or certain autoimmune disorders that target your nerve cells, the message to move your muscles cannot pass from your brain to your muscles, and hence your brain cannot process the movement and loses the control over your muscle mobility. Now let's move on to the concept of how neurodegenerative disorders like paralysis can slow down your cognitive functions. Well, paralysis itself does not directly cause memory loss, but several factors related to the condition can contribute to cognitive decline. Memory loss can be a result of brain or spinal cord injury. Cognitive functions may be affected if paralysis is caused by traumatic brain injury, spinal cord injury near the brainstem, or damage to the parts of the brain responsible for memory like the hippocampus or prefrontal cortex. Loss of mobility can lead to poor blood circulation that affects the supply of oxygen to the brain, leading to brain fog, confusion, forgetfulness, or memory lapses. Certain painkillers, antidepressants, or antispasmodic medications often prescribed to paralysis patients can sometimes impair memory and concentration. Since it is a neurodegenerative disorder, depression and anxiety are common in paralysis. Poor emotional and mental health can lead to cognitive decline, including forgetfulness, confusion, or low focus. Being homebound or bedbound, less social interaction with people around you may reduce engagement with mentally stimulating activities, leading to declined brain functions. Okay, so I have explained you the possible reasons for cognitive decline in paralysis. Now, I will take you to the topic of how you can deal with memory loss in paralysis. Well, let's know what step you can take to prevent memory loss in paralysis. Eat a balanced and antioxidant-rich diet. Try to include vitamin C rich fruits, leafy greens, and whole grains. Consume more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. You can add flax seeds, chia seeds, basil seeds, walnuts, and avocados. Do paralysis friendly exercises for 20 to 25 minutes daily. Do yoga, breathing exercises like alternate nostril breathing or the 4-7-8 breathing exercise, and mindfulness activities. Get enough of sleep. Try to sleep at least 8 hours uninterruptedly. Take natural and holistic treatment for paralysis to timely relieve the condition. Alright, I have shared every crucial information on how you deal with memory loss in paralysis. See, I know it's difficult to lead a healthy life when mobility is an issue and cognitive functions are completely hampered. Modern medicines can relieve symptoms in the early stage, but later on, they fail to manage this condition, and sometimes they can also cause some serious side effects. But no worries. Paralysis can easily be treated with a natural and holistic system of medicine that is safe and side effect free. Yes, I am talking about Bharat Homeopathic medicines. These are prescribed based on your constitution, physical symptoms, and lifestyle. They go directly into your system and start acting on the whole constitution, making you feel relieved. Bharat Homeopathy has a team of experienced neurospecialists who analyze your medical reports and understand your disease deeply. After a proper case assessment, we offer you a personalized and customized homeopathic treatment that suits your system and potentially treats paralysis. We have treated thousands of paralysis patients worldwide and have strong feedback from our happy patient. So if you or your loved one is struggling with paralysis and finding a holistic approach to healing, then no worries. We are here to serve you better in your paralysis and help you to lead healthy and happy life again. If you found my video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.